Here at Sensoronix, we carry a large variety of sensors. Hall effect zero speed sensors, Hall effect proximity switch sensors, Hall effect speed and direction sensors, Hall effect quadrature sensors, Hall effect displacement sensors with linear output, Hall effect speed sensors with linear output, variable reluctance speed sensors, variable reluctance speed sensors with complementary outputs, variable reluctance speed sensors with digital outputs. And if you can't find the sensor you're looking for, we are more than happy to help you create a custom design sensor to fit and meet your application needs. Give us a call today at 949-528-0906 or email us at sales@sensoronix.com.